Hi and welcome to Speedicalc. So in this video what we're going to do is show how to access your account. So open a browser. It's preferred to use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. And if you have a lot of different accounts like I do, then what you'll want to do is use the incognito window. And if you have Microsoft Edge, it's called the in private window. Okay, but they're the same type of thing. So just go to the Microsoft website, which is office.com. You'll go to their main page and click sign in. You'll be asked for the email that's provided to you, your Speedicalc email. This one, for the example, is jackrabbit@speedicalc.com. And then enter the password that's provided to you as well. Hit sign in. You can click yes. That could pop up again. You go to this, what they call waffle. It's the top left. So these dots, and then go to SharePoint. And then you'll get this page. Now this just is that Speedicalc is protected. So click this Continue Microsoft SharePoint Online. And then you'll come to the main SharePoint page. So for this one, you'll see yours, you may have an ID number, but you just want to click when it will be provided to you. This is your home page. And then you just click Speedicalc up here in the header. And you're in your account. And that's all there is to it. See you in the next video.